Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Be Tight. Sorry for the late. I'm trying to create more videos, but I have to create videos for the Battle Royale series and the FPS series and the true FPS series also. So I have three series in mind. So yeah, but let's get started with this one. This is the last part of the vehicle series. Okay, so firstly, we need to check. In the last video, we did that the multiple players can get into the vehicle. Now, in this video, firstly, we need to do the exit part. That is, the player can exit the vehicle. So on F, when we have entered using the F key, right? So create a branch node on F. This will tell us if the person is in the vehicle or not. If it is in the vehicle, if it is in the vehicle, then we need to exit, and if it is not, then we will line trace and check for the vehicle and interact with the car. So one more thing which I want to tell you, that if you notice, let's create a F key node. Oh no, let's create B key node and print the statement here and play. I will enter using this F, this enters. If I press B, nothing prints on the screen, but if I enter using this player and I press B, you will see it is printing hello, and also it is changing the fire mode. So why is it doing so? So the reason for that is that the first player is possessing the vehicle. So if it has the position of the vehicle, then we can't do anything. Then we need to work in the sedan logic. So this F key will only work for the people which are in the seat 2, 3 and 4. So now we need to get what seat is the player in. So let's go back to this, interact with car, and mm, let's get the current seat number. Create a new variable here and make it seat number. Compile and yeah, enum seat number. Compile. So we have 4 seats and none. Select the default value to be none. Now make this here, set seat to 1. On the 1, set it to 1, set it to 2, set it to 3, set it to 4. So now we have the current seat number of the cat. Now just get this seat number here and make it switch on seat number. Right. Now we only need to exit the vehicle if we are on 2, 3, 4, because the 1 will not work, and if it is none, that means it is not in the vehicle. So we have solved the two problems. Let's create for 2. So go to enable disable collision. Now here's the part we have did. We have disabled the collision. So if it is true, that is if we are enabling it, then we need to enable, right? And this will sorry, yeah, this disables it. So we need to enable it. So just get this, these two, okay, these three. And firstly on capsule collision, set collision enabled, sorry, and this will be collision enabled. On character movement, set it to set movement mode to walking. And one more thing which we need to do is set gravity scale to 1, and let's check what is the gravity scale, 1.5. And we need to use controller use controller rotation yaw tick. Yeah, this will do the work. So if we tick it, then this will work. If we set it to false, then this will. So get back to event graph. One more thing is that we need to set this on the server. So let's create a new event, make it exit vehicle on server, and set this to run on server, and set it here and call run on, sorry, exit vehicle on server. Right, we did it. So if it is 2 3 4 then we need to enable the collision like we did here. So just copy these three logic and paste it here and enable this. So this will run on the client, this will on multicast, and this is on the owning client from the server. So you know we called this, right? And do one more thing, get this and set it to not boolean, and this. So if it was false, then it will set it to true, and set this to not to uh, this way. So now we have set the value of the is in vehicle to false also. So now what we have done, we have disabled this variable, we have also enabled the collision, so the vehicle can now move. Now we need to set the cactus location and detach it from the vehicle, because if you remember we had attached it to the actor, so we need to detach the actor. Detach from actor, so this should be on the multiplayer. So sorry, multicast. So create a new event, custom exit vehicle on multicast. This should be multicast. So make it keep fold and call exit vehicle on multicast. So this will detach the character, and now we need to set the cactus location. So okay, so now we have detached the cactus, so we now need to set the actor's location. So set actor location to the location of the vehicle. So we need the vehicle's right click and create it a variable. Oh, sorry. Right click and promote to a vehicle variable and make it as sedan reference. Compile and save. Go back here, set actor location as vehicle reference, get actor location, split this. We need to set the y value to a little modified, make it a plus, maybe 400 would work properly, and this will set the actor's location. So let's check if this works. Okay, so everything is working. Let's check. if I enter and get the second player here and press F, yeah, I did exit, but I don't know where I am. Sedan reference not valid. Should it be replicated? And copy this and remove from here. And if it is alive, set it here. Maybe now let's check. Yeah, I did exit and now I can control, but the camera is still not controllable, if you can see. But I can still control the character. You can see I can control it. I can fire it. Yeah. So I can control that, but not. I need to set the blend view target. So if you remember, we had set this set view target with blend. Copy this, get back here, and new view target would be this character self. Get a reference to self and get player controller. Get okay, so this is the only valid. So let's check if it works now. I F and I get into the character, then F. Now if I press F, I can get, and if you can see, oh no, we got the wrong character. So get controlling character. We need get controller. Get controller. Then we need the target. Okay, so what we need to do is cast to character controller. Right click, convert to pure cast, and make it here target. And remove this. Now it will work properly. Also set this to 100. This should work properly, as I think. F, this gets into the vehicle. F, this gets to the vehicle. I can control the vehicle. If I press F, I can get exit, and I can control the player as it is. Yeah, I can shoot. So yeah, everything is working. Now what we need to do is just use it for the multiplayer. So we have done everything now. One more thing which we need to do is set seat number to none. Dismiss this and also remove this because we don't need. Remove this, and this exits the vehicle, so we don't remove it. So now we need to do for one. Okay, so get back to the vehicle, open the vehicle blueprint and create a F key node. Now this will only work if it has a vehicle and it is the pawn or it is the owner of this vehicle. So this F will help, and that if F can be pressed, that means seat 1 is valid. So set get seat 1 player and get controller poses. This will be in pawn. So now we have the player position, and now we just need to call this exit vehicle on server event. So we will just call exit vehicle on server. So now this player can also exit. So we need to make the same logic for this. So what we can do is collapse it to node if everything is same for it. Yeah, we can just collapse it to node. Or basically we can just directly do this, isn't it? No, if it is none, then we need, let's try directly. If I press F, I can get into the vehicle. If I again press F, oh F, I can control the vehicle. And if I press F, I can exit. Yeah, this works. And the second player can exit the vehicle too, like this. Now let's bring the third player and try, oops, sorry. Yeah, let's bring this player and try to get into the first seat. Yeah, okay, so it's not getting into the first seat. So that means the seat are not empty till now. So we need to set this. Okay, so we need to set this. These two variables for everyone. Basically, it's very easy. Just select this all and right click, make it collapse to nodes. And this will give you a collapsed node and make it exit vehicle. So this should work for all. Get into this. Input is here, everything works, and on exit. Yeah, this way. Get back to your event graph. So here is our event graph. So after we have done this, we need to just disable. We need to set the variable. One more thing, open this exit graph and remove this seat number, because if it just disables the seat number, then how we will check which seat it was on. You get back to event graph. Yeah, now we have a valid seat number. So what you need to do is, if it is 1, then get this variable, get the vehicle reference, set this to the target and set it to false. Now this should not be any reference. Can I set it to none or something like that? Okay, so let it be. And copy this. Same way for this. Get the vehicle reference, set it to false. If it is 3, then set seat 3 to false and set seat 3 player. And if it is seat 4, I know it's a bit boring work, but yeah, you will get a good result. Seat 4. So done. Now our exit system will work nicely. And one more thing, we just need to disable this seat number. So set this to none and copy this note. Yeah, I can just set this. Yeah, this way. So done. And let's check if it works properly like before. I make this to our F. I can get into the vehicle. Now again F. I can get into the vehicle. I can control. If I press F, oh, nothing is happening. Something is wrong, that means. Okay, so I got the error. The error was that this possession was running on the client. So what we need to do is just disable it from there, create a new custom event, and make it exit vehicle from server. Make it run on server. Just call this and call exit vehicle from server. This will make it run successfully now. I press F, I get into the vehicle. Again I press F, I get into the vehicle. And I get here, I press F, I can get into the vehicle. Who was the owner of the vehicle, man? Yeah, everything is replicated. You can watch. If I press F, I get exit. Oops, a very unfortunate thing happened with the vehicle. You can see. Let me try again. That was something like the weight of the vehicle was too less, or something like collision issue. If I press F, I can get out. So what you can do is, if you don't want the car to go back into the air, so open this exit vehicle on server, open this exit vehicle, and play this with this value. If you set it to 150 or maybe 170 even, the car won't go back to the air. I will drive it successfully. If I press F, oh my god, it is like just so. Yes. Let's make it then 280. So you just need to play with this value so that the collision of the player and the car don't touch each other. Where is the car, man? So let's do one thing. Let's first set the actor's location and then disable the collision. So what you need to do is, okay, so copy this, set it to here, copy, remove this, and make it in front. This will first set the actor's location and then disable the collision. This will make the things better, because currently with the difference of frame, yeah. So this is better. If I press F, I get into the vehicle. If I press F, I get out of the vehicle. I can just shoot players, run around, get back to the vehicle. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will end this video here. I will create one more video on the vehicle series, because I wanted to add the radio system and seat swap system. So because this video is already a very big one and I'm already running out of time, so I will create one more part. But the next video would be on the Battle Royale series, because people are expecting, because if you don't know, then the Battle Royale series is getting me the highest watch time for now. So yeah, people are loving it more than, so I will continue that too. So thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Do hit the bell icon and also the subscribe button if you haven't, because that will help me grow. So thank you.